Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are talking about hand embroidery designs and ideas. Hand embroidery is a beautiful and traditional art. It is made using needle, thread and lots of creativity. Hand embroidery has been used for many years. People use it to decorative clothes, home items and accessories. Each design is made by hand, which makes it special and unique. One popular hand embroidery design is floral patterns. Flower look soft, elegant and timeless. They are used on dresses, shawls and cushion covers. Floral designs never go out of style. Another common embroidery style is simple line design. These designs use clean and neat stitches. They look modern and minimal. They are perfect for everyday clothing and home decor. Traditional home embroidery designs are very rich and detailed. They often show culture, pattern and heritage. These designs are used on bridal wear and festive outfit. They add beauty and value on the fabric. Geometric embroidery designs is also very popular. They use shapes like circles, squares and line. These designs look balanced and stylish. They are great for modern fashion and decor. Hand embroidery is also used to decorative home items. Table runner, pillow covers and wall hangings look beautiful with embroidery. They give a handmade and cozy feel to the home. Color choice is very important in embroidery. Bright colors look bold and eye-catching. Soft colors look calm and elegant. Choosing the right colors make the design stand out. Different stitches create different colors. Running stitching is simple and easy. Chain stitch is very beautiful. Satin stitch is also creative. Hand embroidery is suitable for beginners and experts. Beginners can start with small designs. Slowly they can learn more stitches and patterns. One of the best things about hand embroidery is relaxation. It helps reduce stress and calm the mind. Many people enjoy hand embroidery as a hobby. It brings joy and creativity. To take care of embroidery items, wash them gently by hand. Avoid strong chemicals. Dry them in shade or to perfect the threads. In the end, hand embroidery designs are timeless and artistic. They show skill and love. Whether simple or detailed, hand embroidery always add beauty. So friends, thanks for watching. See you again. Allah Hafiz.